Hey everybody, another 5K service video today as I change the transmission fluid in my 2018 Harley-Davidson Sport Glide. First, locate the transmission plug, which can be found right here. Prepare an oil pan and slide it underneath the drain plug. Take a socket wrench and a 5/8 socket and remove the drain plug. Alright, now get the drain plug loosened, and when you start seeing the threads, undo it the rest of the way by hand to ensure it doesn't land in your oil pan. Okay, with the drain plug out and the fluid draining, let's take this time to clean and inspect your plug. We're also going to remove and replace the O-ring. Take a hook pick and remove the old O-ring. Clean your drain plug well, getting everything clean, including all the threads. With that all clean, we're going to slide on the new O-ring. Okay, clean plug, new O-ring. We'll set this aside while the transmission fluid finishes draining. As you can see, we have some slow drips now, so we're about done draining. To ensure we get all the fluid out, it might be a good idea to get the bike upright. Yep, more fluid. We'll stay upright like this for a few minutes till we get all that fluid out of there. Okay, we are done draining fluids, so we are going to clean the drain hole real well and get our clean drain plug installed. Start threading the plug by hand to ensure it's going in correctly and get it hand snug. Grab a torque wrench in your 5/8 socket and set the torque to anywhere from 14 to 21 foot-pounds. Alright, first let's get that drain pan out of the way. Torque down the drain plug. To access the filler plug to add new fluid, we first need to remove the right side cover as well as this little black plastic cover. Grab a 5/32 Allen key and remove the two bolts. Now this little plastic cover is just clipped in on a few spots. Just carefully unclip and remove. Anyway, take a 3/8 Allen key and remove the filler plug. Now our fluid. For this fluid change, I am trying Redline V-Twin transmission oil with Shockproof. I hear great stories about Redline, so I figure it's worth trying in my gearbox. Manual calls for 28 ounces of fluid for the transmission. Looking at the dipstick here, we need to be in the middle of the A and F lines. Since we have 32 ounces of fluid in our bottle, I went ahead and measured 28 ounces on my bucket here, and we're going to start with this and then check our level. God, this red line is some thick stuff too. It's like Pepto-Bismol, but just a tad more red. I'm going to use a flexible funnel here and get in the tight spot to reach the drain plug. Now time to dump in the oil. Now I'm going to speed this part up as this stuff is really thick and takes a while to drain through my funnel. Okay, now let's check our levels. Insert your clean dipstick and thread until the O-ring contacts the case. Remove the dipstick and check the level. Also, I need to add that the bike needs to be on a level surface on the jiffy stand for your checks. Looks like we're right at where we need to be with the level. Alright, now go ahead and reinstall the dipstick and tighten it down. The manual calls for 25 to 75 inch-pounds of torque, but since it's such a tight spot to reach, I'm just going to snug it down with my 3/8 Allen key. Last step is to reinstall the small black plastic cover and the right side cover. That is a job done, everyone. We have successfully changed the transmission fluid on a 2018 Harley-Davidson Sport Glide. Now this process should be the same across the whole Softail range, but make sure and check your manual for your specific model. Well everyone, thanks for stopping by. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and look forward to more videos coming soon to the D-Cycle channel. Make sure you always take it sleazy, and I'll see you next time.